Are you trying to open a website in Google Chrome but it keeps showing a page not working error? Don't worry, in today's video I will show you a few simple methods that can help you fix this problem quickly and easily. First, open Chrome on your PC. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Extension. Now, turn off all currently enabled extensions by toggling them off one by one. After disabling the extension, close that page. Return to the settings page. From the left sidebar, click on System. Find the option Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. Then click Relaunch to restart your browser. Once Chrome restart, check whether the website loads properly. If the problem still persists, move on to the next step. Go back to the settings page again. Click on Privacy and Security from the left menu. Select Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Click Delete Data to remove all browsing data and cache. Now try loading the website again. If none of the previous methods worked, the final solution is to reset your Chrome settings. By doing this, click the three-dot menu again in the top right corner and open Settings. Select Reset Settings in the left sidebar. Then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Reset Settings. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Chrome browser should be working properly again and you will be able to access website without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials.